Hi, I'm Altasciences.
And I'm a Standard CRO. On the menu today, we have phase 2 clinical trials. We have phase 3 clinical trials. And we've got bioanalysis.
Is that everything?
I know, it's a lot to take in. Take your time.
Chef has prepared a great menu. We'll start with safety assessment, followed by a full service clinical offering with a side of bioanalysis and on-demand formulation.
Excuse me, Altasciences. Do you have data management, biostats, medical writing, and regulatory support on your menu?
We sure do.
You don't need all that. But I can offer you a complimentary side of our specialty mayo.
And best of all our dishes are served on a plate of program management. For dessert, we also offer manufacturing.
I'll have what he's having.
But mayo.
No thanks.
Oh, it's so delicious over here at Standard CRO. You don't know what you're missing.